Hey guys, what's going on? Hope y'all are having a good one. Feels like it's been forever since I made a video. Finally got the bike back, got the new rubbers on. Finally got a good day to ride. It rained the last couple days, but here we are, guys. We got the bike back, ready to do some riding for once in what seems like an eternity. Let's go this way, because I don't feel like following anybody. Quick shifter didn't want to work there for a second. I'm gonna go ride some back roads today. So excited. Gotta hop those tracks, you know what I'm saying? So I cleaned my visor and I can't see anything out of it. Cause I used like a wet wipe, and all the soaps just made it smear. So now I can't see anything at all. It's like all smudges. Man, I'm not feeling this traffic today. It's too nice out for this. It's like 80 something degrees outside and sunny. I don't feel like sitting in traffic. That's why I want to go back roads today. I'm ready to get back to the daily uploads. Hopefully, with the weather like it is, I'll be able to grind it out. Just been slightly unmotivated here lately, but it is what it is. Hopefully you guys understand. It's traffic everywhere today. Now that we're out of traffic, maybe we can have a good little ride. I swear ever since I got the bike worked on at the dealer, I think they adjusted my clutch, and it's like right at the very end when it actually grabs. It's so weird. Maybe I could get used to it, I don't know, but not a fan. I'm used to it being like middle to all the way back when it grabs. So you can see how little I gotta move it to get a grab. And I'm used to it being like almost at the handlebar by the time it grabs. This way. You gotta love those neutral bangers with a quick shifter. They're brutal. They're brutal. Embarrassing. Wrong smoking dough. Always makes me nervous when I come up to a four-way and the car's trying to like let me go. I'm like hesitant. Not trying to have them tell me to go and then I go and get smacked. Wouldn't be a good ride, guys. It might make good content. Apparently wrecks get more views for us bikers than anything. Hoping to do a big ride here in the next few weeks. I don't know where yet. I did a poll on my community page on YouTube, and it was a pretty close tie between the Tail of the Dragon and what was the other one? Natchez Trace. Those two kind of were leading in the polls, so if you guys have a preference, just go to my community page on my YouTube and vote where you think I should go ride next. It'll be in the next couple weeks, hopefully. But just let me know, because I'm curious what you guys are interested in. And we're back into traffic. Perfect. I need to set my clock so I actually know what time it is. I went the wrong way, I just realized that. It'd be nice to be able to look down and see what time it is without having to guess. I can't believe I just... I do that every time at that road. I always go the wrong way. I was going the right way. I'm an idiot. Sorry guys, my video cut out, so hopefully I got some decent content, but I don't know how much I got and how much I lost. Hopefully it continues to record, we'll see. I'm gonna have to head home here shortly. I think it's starting to rain actually. It looks like it's gonna rain. Looks pretty rough. And don't mind me for not wearing gear. I literally wasn't even thinking whenever I went to go riding today, so it happens. I was too excited to actually be able to get out and make a video. Not gonna lie, I got the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s. And like when I first got them, obviously they were kind of slick, but abnormally slick. But now that I've actually rode for I don't know what, 100 miles. They're super grippy and very, I don't know what the word for it. They're so smooth and grippy. Like, they're great. They just had to be broke in a little bit. Like I said, I put about 100 miles on them, and they're nice and sticky now. Before, it felt like I was riding on tire shine. So there's that. Looks like we're just going to be riding behind traffic for the rest of the day, so I just want to say I appreciate you guys. Much love. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video, and until next time, peace.